anyone want to chat? Hello? Hello? So, what brings you here tonight?
I'm bored. I'm horny. I'm lonely. I'm sad. I'm just relaxing. My friends are busy. I never meet anyone. My car's in the shop. I'm escaping my past.
In sex chat rooms, in order to indicate
I can't be
someone's made
bothered
you
knowing
laugh,
anything
you
about
type
what
in
I'm talking to.
LOL.
I ran into my ex.
It stands for laughing out loud.
Hi, Kira.
First time I read it on screen, I thought it stood for lots of love.
We've never chatted before.
Sometimes I still pretend it does. Lots of love. It's nice.
I've seen you in here a couple of times.
Oh yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Well, nice to meet you too, Billy Bud. And I don't suppose that's your real name too?
No. LOL. It's Andrew.
That's so much better. Nice to meet you, Andrew.